Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best platform for students and online tutors. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Chegg? Chegg is a traded on an open market American training innovation organization situated in Santa Clara, California. It gives computerized and actual course reading rentals, internet mentoring, and other understudy administrations. The organization was dispatched in 2005. You can join as a tutor or as a student, link in the description box. What does Chegg India do? Chegg is a freely held organization situated in Santa Clara, California, and exchanges on the NYSE under the image CHGG. Chegg India principally makes answers for the Chegg Study Board and handles a few verticals of promoting and substance uphold the executives. Is Chegg.com safe? Be that as it may, is Chegg safe? The appropriate response is yes. The site follows rules that it energizes its staff, individuals and customers to cling to for smooth activities. Their book assortment is likewise amazing, and one is ensured to discover a book that covers the subject that they look for. What amount is Chegg a month? Chegg Study costs $14.95 every month. You can likewise buy the Chegg Study Pack for $19.95 every month. Does Chegg pay for wrong answers? Chegg maintains whatever authority is needed to not pay for answers that disregard Chegg Study Honor Code. Would you be able to get Chegg for nothing? 1. Join for nothing and get a free coaching meeting. As a school or secondary school understudy, you can join Chegg for nothing and pay no month-to-month membership expense. You'll likewise be blessed to receive a free 30-minute coordinated meeting with a live guide. Does Chegg pay well? The normal Chegg compensation goes from roughly $3,500 every year for content writer to $24,000 every year for technical manager. The normal Chegg month-to-month compensation goes from roughly $150 every month for marketing intern to $900 every month for register. Is Chegg useful for understudies? Generally, Chegg participation clients are secondary school and understudies. The thing is, they are brilliant to the point that they know whether they replicated the appropriate responses they won't get the hang of anything, and the cash they spent will be useless. Would you be able to drop Chegg after the free preliminary? Search for Chegg Writing under subscriptions on the correct side of your screen and snap cancel membership. You will in any case approach Chegg Writing for the rest of your free preliminary current charging period. The amount you can acquire in Chegg. What amount does Chegg in the United States pay? Normal Chegg time-based compensation goes from roughly $10 every hour for event specialist to $20 every hour for tutor. Will Chegg be followed? On the off chance that you shut your record, would they be able to in any case follow the inquiry back to you? Indeed, they can. How Chegg Tutors functions. Chegg Tutors makes it simple to locate an incredible coach and associate in a flash. What sort of help do you need? Do you make someone memories question or need a rehashing meeting with a guide? Start with sorting out what sort of help you need. Discover a guide. We'll coordinate you with guides who have practical experience in your branches of knowledge and are prepared to help you now. Get an exercise. Work with coaches in a live exercise space including a virtual whiteboard, or visit through content, sound, or video. Chegg Guide Term 1. Students first. We accept all understudies ought to get the assist they with requiring and not need to venture into the red. So we offer online mentors at moderate costs. 2. Quality guides. Online guides are accessible in a wide cluster of subjects and points to help you any place you need them. 3. Available every minute of every day. Online coaches are accessible to support day in and day out, whenever to accommodate your timetable. Fulfillment ensured, or your cashback. I hope you liked the video. If you get more videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share the video and leave a comment. Good luck.